Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and welcome to my new YouTube studio. Because of you, I've been able to build this new YouTube studio. We're building it right now. There might be a little bit of echo. There's no flooring. We just got the walls put in, sprayed, blah, blah, blah. Just wanted to tell you that because this is, if you've watched my channel for any length of time, this looks different. But I'm excited about this. Also, we're doing an unboxing video with a company called Iscooter. It's the i9. They actually have an i10. It's a little bit bigger than this. It's lightweight. It's like 40 pounds. It's a 350 watt motor. It goes about 19 miles full blast. It's very simple to break down. It does have Bluetooth and it holds a maximum of 220 pounds, but we're just going to unbox it, put it together. Let's tell us our thoughts about it and let's get into it. Let's go. All right. So when you open this up, make sure you don't tear the box up like this. You can lift it straight up, because if you have any issues whatsoever, you can put it back in the box and ship it. It does come with some tools and some screws. That'll be for handlebars. It does have a full manual in here. It's got honeycomb. I think they're like run flat tires. I wish the bicycles would do that. But yeah, it's got everything in here. The app. If you just bought this, screenshot that, especially if you bought it used, because that's the QR code for your for the app. This is super simple. You really don't need a manual for this part. But let's open this thing up. Got a charger. Takes about 3 hours to charge. All right. I don't like this packaging. I know it's effective, but it just puts the little white balls everywhere. It can be for adults. It's super cheap. Like I said, it's like $240. All right, so really all you have to do is put this on. Let's push this in real quick. It's got this little wire. Come on. So you gotta shove this inside here. There we go. Alright. And take a look at this. It's got these two little holes right here. There's the screws, and here's your tools. They do put blue Loctite on that. Do you see that? That's awesome. That's like a glue that automotive companies use. I just got to put this thing on here. Get around here where I can work. There we go. Simple. You do not have to pay anybody to do this. You can do this. All right, I'll get these two little screws on and we'll be right back. Let me know in the comments if the audio is okay. There's a lot of echo. More furniture and flooring and everything we'll get in here will probably enlighten, because I want to run this whole shop off solar. Got a couple of solar companies that I want to be part of. Okay, so got the two screws in. Super simple. I wanted to show you this real quick. There's a few things to give you some extra screws, but there's a little clip right here that'll go right here, if you can see that. So we'll bring this down and it clips just like that. Super simple, and it's light. It's not heavy, but it doesn't go very far. So like I said, it's got a 7.5 amp hour battery. Push this down, lift this up, and we'll lift this up. And there's a little mechanism here I want you to see. You lift this up just like this. And that locks it. You hear that snap? It's ready. Now on the other side, there's like a little lever. I'll show you that real quick. It's just right up top here. You lift it up and pull, and then this will go down just like that. Very simple. So that's done. I want to show you one more thing. Let's find out where to charge it. A lot of people ask me about that. So when they give you, it sits right here. And this is genius. I wish everybody would do that. This is where you put it. You got your little plug right here. And that will plug right inside there. And then you will plug this in here and into the wall. Super simple. Doesn't take super long to charge. But, all right, we're going to take this on the ground and then we'll go look at the top. All right, close this up real quick. I think you might want to keep that closed. There's water, rain. It is cable brakes. Not super happy about that. It goes 19 miles per hour. I want you to know that. And I think that is, you know, if you're 200 pounds or 100 pounds, I think you'll get a different result out of that. Yeah, I mean, it's cheap. $240. It's fine. It'll get you to work if you're 15 minutes away or 15 miles away. Charge it and ride it back. It's not heavy. Let's look at the front here. All right. So let's see here. There's your battery, drive, and then this right here. Now I think this actually you have to push off for the wheel to work. This is fast. Yeah, it's a safety thing. So that's KM 1, 2, 3. So I hit it 3 times at miles per hour. Hopefully you can see that, but yeah, this thing, little brakes, cabled brakes here, your throttle, and that's about it, dude. This is like simple. There's not much to it. I'll just hold it for like 3 seconds and it'll shut itself off. So it is what it is. It's, like I said, it's inexpensive scooter. It's got an app to it. It does have brake lights. That's cool. You know, I'm just trying to, yeah, it does have brake lights. Trying to find stuff to say about it. It's inexpensive. It'll get you to work. If you like one of these, I'll put it in the description below. You can go to Iscooter, and this is the M9. I personally try to get the M10. It's a little bit faster, a little bit bigger. But if you're starting out, this would be a good one. If you're just a little commuter, if like I do shows, and sometimes I have to park kind of far away, this would be fit anywhere. I mean, you don't have to have a lot of room to store this. You know what I mean? There's nothing to this. But yeah, if you like videos like this, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell. We're trying to do videos once a week. We're going to be quite a bit busier now that we got the YouTube studio running. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.